Hi everyone, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel BlockchainModie. As you know, this channel specializes in reviewing the newest and latest project of cryptocurrency. In this video, I'll talk about a new project named Ethernus. Before moving forward, there is one of two things we need to get out of the way. Every video on this channel is non-investment advice. We only try to shed light on some projects that seem to us as good projects worth talking about. So guys, stay till the end on this video to know more about Ethernus, to know its features and what this project provides to his users. Also, if you guys are not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you. Hi everyone and welcome back to BlockchainModie, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the crypto world. Today I'm thrilled to announce you to Ethernus, a groundbreaking project that poised to reshape the DeFi space. With its robust ecosystem, price stability and mechanism and unique early bird benefits, Ethernus is a must-watch project into 2025. So let's dive in to explore the ETUS token, the exclusive phases, and why this could be your golden opportunity to get ahead in the crypto space. So let's start by exploring the Ethernus Countdown website. Look at this sleek design. Everything is so well organized and professional. And here is the star of the show, the countdown timer. This is the time ticking down to phase 1, where you can grab ETUS token on a stable price. So the attention to details here is incredible. The clean interface makes it easy to find what you need, and the overall vibe gives me confidence that this is a serious project. So before we dive into the details, let's set the mood. Ethernus has an official soundtrack that perfectly complements the futuristic theme of this project. So let's give it a listen.
With binary code, we forge tomorrow. A beam of light that spans through time, blocks that seal an eternal pact. Ethernus beats precise and intact. It uses the core as strong as steel, bridging fragments of time we feel. It channels the
So isn't this amazing? The production quality is top-notch and it completely emerges. You're in the Ethernus ecosystem. It's the kind of music that makes you want to explore more. Be sure to check it out yourself. The link is in the description. So, what makes Ethernus special? Ethernus stands out by offering a stable, predictable investment opportunity in the violet world of crypto. Here is what makes it unique. The first one is the price balancer, a cutting-edge mechanism that keeps the token price stable around 0.10, reducing risk for investors. Intelligent metrics, advanced indicator HT and VT, which track ecosystem health and adjust supply and demand for sustainable growth. 3. The exclusive NFTs. They are not just digital collective, they are your ticket to premium perks such as priority access to pre-sale, multiples for staking rewards, and governance privileges. So now let's dive into the 3 phases of Ethernus and why acting early can make all the differences. So the first phase, you can buy ETUS for just 0.015 with a minimum investment of $200. What makes phase 1 special? This is the lowest cost entry point into the ecosystem. You'll get maximum value for your investments and securing your NFTs in this phase in the smart market move. So what do you get? An exclusive NFT that unlocks priority access to future phases, multiple for staking reward and alliance, premium governance privileges giving you a voice in Ethernus direction. You'll also position yourself to enjoy the most significant gains as the token price approach 0.10. So this in the phase for smart early adopters who want to maximize their returns while spending the least. For phase 2, a worthwhile opportunity between February 1 to 28. In the phase 2, the minimum investment increases to $500, but you still get all the perks. Why join phase 2? If you missed phase 1, this is your second best chance to get in before prices rise further. Your NFT still come with all the benefits, but the entry cost is higher. While the cost increases, the perk remain the same. It's still a great opportunity to secure your spot in this ecosystem. For phase 3, there is an exclusive access between March 31 and April 30. By phase 3, the minimum investment jumps to $1,000. What's the difference in phase 3? This phase is for those who recognize the value of Ethernus even after it's gained significant traction. The token price will likely be closer to its stabilization point of $0.10, but you'll still benefit from the NFT perk and future ecosystem advantages. In phase 3 is perfect for those who want to secure their place in Ethernus, even if it means paying a premium. One of the standout features of Ethernus is how it looks out for late investors. If you join after the price balancer has been activated, you receive compensatory airdrop to align your investment with the stabilized price of $0.10. This means you're protected no matter when you join, but remember, the earlier you get in, the bigger your potential gains. So, how to get started with Ethernus? Getting started is simple. Connect your wallet to the Polygon network Matic and add the ETUS token contract to your wallet as you can see. Also purchase ETUS on Uniswap using the link in the description. Join the Ethernus community on Telegram and follow their social media for updates. Everything you need is in the description below, including step-by-step guide and direct links. So, this is your chance to be a part of a project that combines cutting-edge technology with real-world financial practically. Explore the Ethernus website, listen to the music, and join the community. And don't forget to grab your ETUS token in phase 1 for the best deal. Ethernus is just another crypto project. It's an ecosystem designed for growth, scalability, and long-term success. With its unique price stability mechanism, exclusive NFTs, and early phase benefits, it's an opportunity you don't want to miss. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video as well. Let's step into the future of digital finance together. The clock is ticking, don't wait. So this is the video of Ethernus project. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe on the channel if you guys are not subscribed. Also, don't forget to give it a try. Join the project social media, and you can check their website as well. You will guys find the link of the project in the description below. Thank you.